very warm good morning to my little stars. How are you all? I hope you and your family are happy and healthy. Welcome to online video session. And you know that which session is going? Yes, my dear student, it is science session. And today it is 13 July 2020. Yes, and your subject is science. Okay. Now, today we are going to recap chapter number 4. As you know that we already completed chapter number 4 with all the book exercises and question answer. Yes, my dear student? Yes. Now, today we are going to take a recap in which we are going to learn that what is the important point of this chapter which we are going to revise it. Okay, my dear student? Yes. So, just take out your book. Yes, I know that you are opening your book and waiting for me that ma'am is going to start new topic. So, just take out your book and open chapter number 4 and I am going to discuss what is the important topic on this chapter. We should learn about this very carefully and it is very important for your exam also. Okay, but before starting session, what we'll do? Yes, my dear students. Yes, ma'am will do first sentence of the day. After that, we will start our session. Okay, so be ready for sentence of the day. This is your sentence of the day. That never sacrifice these 3 things. Never sacrifice these 3 things. That is your family, your health, or your dignity. Okay, student, these 3 things is very important in your life. So, never sacrifice these 3 things, that is your family, your heart and your dignity. So, get ready my dear student that we are going to take a recap of chapter number 4. Okay. So, in chapter number 4, what is the name of chapter number 4? Yes, chapter number 4 is reproduction in animals. What is that? Reproduction in animal. And do you know? I hope now you all know that what is the meaning of reproduction. Yes, my dear student, what is that reproduction? Yes, very good. Reproduction is the ability by which living beings produce the young ones of their own kind. Again, I am repeating what is reproduction. Reproduction is the ability by which living beings produce the young ones of their own kind, and that is the reproduction. Okay. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about reproduction in animal and in different and how many different ways of reproduction. After that, we are going to learn about the life cycle of butterfly, grasshopper and frog. At last, we are going to discuss about the care of young ones by the animal. That is our last topic. So, these 4 topics which is going to cover today. Okay. So, be ready for that. That student, you know that what is reproduction? Reproduction is the ability by which a living being going to produce their young ones. So, student, in animal there are 2 ways to reproduce baby. Okay. In animal there are 2 ways to produce a young ones. Okay. Number 1, how animal produce their baby? Number 1, animal that give birth to young ones. Number 1 process is animal that give birth to the young ones, and number 2nd is animal that lay egg. So there is a 2 different way in which animals going to give a birth to produce their baby, by birth, by giving birth, and second one is lay egg. And now we are going to discuss which animals give the birth. Yes, very simple, that mammals. Do you know what is mammals? Mammals are the animals who gives the birth of young ones. Okay. And how you can recognize mammals? Mammals are the animals on which they give the birth of their young ones, and they are having hair on their skin and they can feed their baby with milk also. Okay. So this kind of animal are mammal. There are so many examples that cow, dog, cat, we are also mammals, elephant, horse, all are this type of animals are called mammals. Okay, so for example, take rats, cat, dog, horse, elephant, tiger, cheetah. These all are the category of mammals. Okay, these all are mammals. Okay, so dolphin is also mammals. Whale is also mammals. Okay, it also come in mammals category. Monkey is also mammal. Okay, these all are come in a mammal category, and the category is same because they are going to give the birth of their baby. Okay, now come to the next, that is the mammal can feed their baby. The mammal who are giving the birth of animals that can feed their baby with milk. Okay, feed their baby with milk. It is very important. The animal who are giving the birth of their baby, it's mean that are mammal. And the one thing is that you can recognize about mammal, that mammal can feed their baby with milk. Okay, so this is the example of mammals, and mammals is the animal who can give the birth of baby. Now second point is that animal that lay egg. Okay, so some animal reproduce by laying egg also. Some animal reproduce their baby by laying egg also. Just like take an example, birds, frog, fish, insect also. And insect, take an example of any name of insect, that is grasshopper, butterfly, cockroach. Okay, another example also insect, just take a insect example, lizard is also in reptiles. Okay, to reptiles, in the category of reptiles also giving the egg. Okay, reptiles, turtle, these all are the animals who lay the egg. These all are the example of laying egg animals. Okay, so bird lay egg in nest. You know that bird lay their egg in the nest. In video I have also shown that there's so many different kind of bird giving the different kind of egg in different nests, and so that is very important video. I hope you all have seen that video. So bird lay their egg in nest. See, this mother and then the mother and father hatch the mother and fathers that kept the warming the egg. That warming the egg means immersing egg into young ones. Okay, so mother and father sit on the egg and keep warming that, and this period is called incubation. This period is called incubation. What is incubation? Incubation is a period in which mother bird or father bird sit on the egg and keep warm that. Okay, keep warming the egg, and that is called incubation. Okay, after the growth of baby, the egg broke down and young ones come out. Okay, so this is your, come to the next topic, that is the life cycle of butterfly, grasshopper and frog. And in last video I am also explained that what are the different stages of butterfly. There are 4 different stages of butterfly. Number 1 is egg, very good. Number 2 is caterpillar, then pupa, and after someday pupa convert themselves into adult butterfly, very good. And in the case of grasshopper, there is only 3 stages. There is only 3 stages of life cycle in grasshopper, that is egg, nymphs and adult grasshopper. Okay, there is no larva and caterpillar in grasshopper life cycle. There is only 3 stages. How many stages in grasshopper? Only 3 stages. Life cycle of grasshopper having only 3 stages of life cycle. Okay, now after that we learn about the life cycle of frog. There is a 5 stages. First egg, then tadpole. Then tadpole is going to change their cell. Okay, they are developing their hind limbs. Okay, then it become a young ones, and in young one there is a tail that is slowly disappear, and it become a adult frog, and there is no tail in adult frog. So this is the life cycle of frog. After that we learn about the care of young ones by the animal. The care of young ones by the animal. So last topic is care of young ones by the animal. Just like take an example when your mother and father taking care of yourself. Just like an animal also, animal taking care of their young ones also. Just see, look at the picture how a bird feed their chick. See, this is a parental care. This is known as parental care. The care which is given by parents are called parental care. Okay, student. So some animals like mammals, some animals like mammal and bird take care of their young ones, and human being also a mammal, and we are also taking care of our babies also. You have seen that in your house, the small child is there, how your mother and father is more attentive toward him or her, taking care, giving importance to him or her, and that is very important that in the early age we have to give more attention, more protection to our baby. So that is called parental care. Okay, student. So they protect them, okay, clean them, keep them warm. Your parents protect yourself, clean you and keeping warm also. This is all come on the parental care. Only human being look after their baby from long time. Okay, only human, we are only the parents that taking care our baby long time. Our parental care duration is long time. As you seen that you are when you are going, when you born, you are small, your parents are giving you parental care, and today also your parents taking care of you. So the parental care in human being is long process. Dog looks after their puppies also, cat take care of kitten also, bird feed and protect their baby chick also. Other animal like a fish, frog, snake do not take care of their young ones. The animals, take an example of fish, frog, snake, that do not care their young ones. They just lay the egg and forget that they are laying the egg also. So this kind of animal that do not take care of their baby due to some reason. Okay, the young one look after themselves when they hatch, and young one when the fish going to lay the egg in running water, after some time when it hatch, the young ones take care their self by them. No one is going to help them, no one is going to care them. Okay, because their parents are careless, that's why no one is going to care them. The animal like a frog, fish, snakes, they are all are careless toward their babies. Okay, student. So this is the important point which we learn from this chapter. What is that? First we learn about the reproduction, and there is two way the animal can reproduce. Number one is by giving the birth. Second one is laying the egg. After that we learn about the life cycle of butterfly, grasshopper and frog. And how many stages of butterfly? Yes, there are 4 stages in the life cycle of butterfly. And how many stages of grasshopper life cycle? Yes, there are 3 stages in the life cycle of grasshopper. And the frog is having the 5 stages, and that is you have all seen in that picture also. After that we learn about the care of young ones, that we are caring our child also. Okay, student. So these all are the important points which we are going to learn from this chapter. And we already completed all the book exercises, all the keywords, all the question answer. Now it's your time that you have to learn all the keywords, question answer, book exercises that is related with this chapter. So you have to start your learning period just now. And now I think there is nothing to recap. All the point I have written, that is very important, and that is related to the chapter number 4. So you have to revise it, read it and learn it. Class 4, this is your today homework. That today is 13 July 2020 and your science homework is Student, you have to learn chapter number 4. Okay, you have to learn chapter number 4. It means you are going to learn keyword, question answer, hot question answer and define it. Okay, first you have to complete your chapter number 4, all the book exercises, all the question answer in your notebook. After that you are going to learn this chapter, that is chapter number 4. Okay student, so this is your today homework.